We chilling and trick-or-treating right now. Got some candy.
What are you going as for Halloween right now?
Kyle, he invented Onewheel.
Kyle! We're going as Kyle, I love that. Beware, enter at your own risk. What in the world? Look at this.
This is crazy.
There's a guy right here.
Hello guys, it's Halloween and we're gonna ride down the road to the neighborhood and see what we can get. Let's go.
Hawaiian man. Hawaiian man, let's go. Where you going? Let's go. Alright, find us. No, go up and get some candy out of this house.
Come on. Hey guys.
You want to get it? Yeah.
Got the haul.
Put it in Unit 1. How much you got? How much you got?
Like,
huh?
This is the beginning.
We're at the beginning. We're at the beginning. That's my favorite costume right there. Right there. That's it. That's the one. That's the one. We cheating, man. Yes, indeed. What's up? Y'all want to go left? Y'all want to go left?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Right.
Oh, right. Oh, right. Got the hay bale going. Where's Luke? Where's Jude at? Did Jude drive down? What's up?
Recognize.
Hello.
Love it. We have one too.
Oh, you have a Onewheel? That's awesome.
I like it.
You got the pine like that? Yeah, there you go.
Trick or treat! He said, you just doing hands? I said, yep.
You're eating them as you go. Yeah, get your Unit 1.
Yeah, eat them as I get them.
Mom said go back and meet her. Put that in the Unit 1 bag, bro.
Put it in the U1 bag.
There you go.
Get that candy in there.
Go, no. Oh.
Denver, you want to come? Nope.
Whoa.
I didn't almost die, you did.
Wow. Go get it, Noah.
Right up here.
Oh my goodness. We got a killer on the loose. No, we got a killer on the loose right here, man. Cool. Talk to the people.
About what?
Tell them what we doing. Just chilling.
We're just chilling, trick or treating. We chilling and trick or treating right now. Got some candy.
This is probably your last year to ever do it, huh?
Yeah, I'm not. I don't think I'll be doing it next year. I think I'll just ride around.
What are you going as for Halloween right now?
Kyle, he invented Onewheel.
Kyle! We're going as Kyle. I love that. Look, show that Onewheel jersey, bro. That Onewheel hoodie.
Thanks to Onewheel for sending me this. It's pretty
cool.
sick.
Pretty
I love
awesome.
it. Comfy.
That's awesome.
Go back this way.
It's spooky? All right, what we doing? What we doing? Where we going? Where we
Stare
going?
off with some killer. All right, we gotta hop up in here.
We got a haunted house?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Y'all got a cool haunted house?
Oh yeah.
Can we walk through it?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
And go get scared.
Oh my goodness. It's like 13th gate. What is this? Beware, enter at your own risk. What in the world? Look at this.
This is crazy.
We gotta have this, right?
What's up, guys? Are we supposed to go through there?
I think that's it.
Gotta have it down to
Holy.
I don't think we're supposed to go in there.
Look, people are dead over here.
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh. Dude, you looking?
Yeah, I didn't look.
What you think, bro?
Pretty cool.
You go first. You go. You know what? Yeah.
Bro, there's a guy in here.
There's a guy right here.
Cool. Are you kidding me?
Congratulations.
Bruh.
A starter right there.
I like the way you do it. That's awesome. That's awesome. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. This got to be the best one.
In and out the other way.
We got scared. You didn't see what was in
We
there?
was terrified.
Yeah. You gotta,
I said
you gotta
scared?
go
Okay.
around.
This is the top house.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh, that's him.
is
Take
that?
a picture by the guys.
That looks like Frosty the Snowman.
He's like crafty.
That's Casper.
Yo, Jamar Chase! Yeah!
Bro, did you get that touchdown the other day?
Jamar Chase caught that touchdown the other night.
Yeah.
And he hurt?
Huh?
Thought he was hurt.
No, that's Jay Jetty's.
Did anybody give me a payday?
Ooh. This is the cat right here. Did that have candy in it?
Yeah.
No way.
Dude, there's like a whole bucket.
Noah! Look, get one. It says get one and go.
Go. Hey guys, we just wanted to bring you along, just riding down the neighborhood, trick-or-treating a little bit, and new videos coming soon. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.
Yo, that's the group of kids that knows that we're going.
Don't leave me. All right, yeah, let's go. beast right here, bro. This is perfect. Is that her?
Yeah.
Look at, oh, the sky looks insane. Dude, look. This is the stash. This is it, bro.
Oh yeah.
I don't have any lettuce.
This is the stash. Not bad. Not bad at all. You got any paydays?
No.
No paydays, huh?